How to delete profile picture on Facebook. Now let's say you no longer want your profile picture to be up on your Facebook profile. All you have to do in order for you to delete that profile picture on your Facebook profile is to tap on these three lines right here in order for you to go to your profiles, or you can just tap on this icon of profile right here. Now all you have to do is to tap on your profile and click on See Profile Pictures right here. Now once you're on your profile picture, all you have to do is to tap on these three dots right here on the upper corner and click on Delete Photo right here. Now if you delete this specific profile picture, and if your account on Facebook is currently linked on your Instagram account, both accounts, whether in Facebook or Instagram, will automatically delete the profile picture they had on their accounts. So if you push through with this and your account is linked to one another, both your profile picture on your Instagram and Facebook will be deleted. So all you have to do is to tap on delete right here. And now you have deleted that profile picture on Facebook right there. So that's how to delete profile picture on Facebook. Hope we help.